Don't be scared, we don't bite. So today we're gonna take a little journey. Yes, we're gonna do dance. Is that okay? So far, I have really challenged you and you guys have stepped up to the challenge. One of the things I truly believe in is having a really high bar, and once you put it really high, people somehow reach it. So the main thing for me today is you guys did amazing by pushing yourselves, and each and every one of you guys worked super hard. Now this is something we call resilience, and resilience is that's really important. To be resilient means not to give up, okay? No matter how many knockdowns you get back up and you go again, and you go again, and you go again. Anything that you do, if it's your reading, your writing, your maths, anything science, anything you do in a life, PE, dance, whatever you're doing, the most important thing in this is that resilience, not giving up. Now, how many times do you think I tried to do a backflip before I could do a backflip? Thousands, and I've fallen over a million times, but I didn't give up. It's okay to take your time. It's okay not to get it today if I leave, and then next week you might get it. We just have to work on it.